सबसे पहले नजर डालते हैं अब तक की बुलेटिन।
जी बिल्कुल, विहाड़ी में पानी के मसाइल बारे जानने और उनके हल के लिए बैनुल अक़वामी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन PUM एक प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रही है, जिसके रहनुमा प्रोफेसर हांस ने मुस्लिम लीग के रहनुमा मियाँ इमरान दुल्ताना के हमरा सहाफ़ियों से गुफ्तगू करते हुए कहा कि विहाड़ी में ज़ेर ज़मीन का लेवल दिन ब दिन नीचे जा रहा है, जिसकी वजह से ये आलूदा होता जा रहा है, जबकि इसकी ट्रीटमेंट और उसे महफूज करना वक्त की ज़रूरत है। इसी वजह से ये प्रोजेक्ट शुरू किया गया है, जिसका मकसद इलाके में पानी के मसाइल बारे जामिया रिसर्च की जाए और लोगों को इस बारे आगाही दी जाए और उन्हें इस मकसद के लिए अपने साथ शामिल किया जाए। ये एक तवील मुद्दती मनसूबा है जिसको मुकम्मल करने पर कई साल लग सकते हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि चंद दहाइयों पहले विहाड़ी में वाटर लेवल 30 से 40 था, जो अब बढ़कर 100 फुट से भी ज़्यादा हो गया है। आइंदा चंद साल में इसमें ख़तरनाक हद तक इजाफा हो जाएगा। इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि हम सबसे पहले पानी का ज़िया रोकें। उनका कहना था कि सेवरे के पानी का ट्रीट करके हम काबिल इस्तेमाल बना सकते हैं, लेकिन इस बारे मुआशरे में आगाही बहुत ज़रूरी है। बारिश के पानी को भी काबिल इस्तेमाल बनाने पर काम किया जा रहा है। उन्होंने मज़ीद कहा कि प्लास्टिक की बोतलें भी आलूदगी का बड़ा ज़रिया है। हम प्लास्टिक को घरों, दफातर और हर जगह इस्तेमाल करते हैं, इसको रिसाइकिल किया जा सकता है। मुस्लिम लीग नून के रहनुमा मियाँ इमरान दुल्ताना ने गुफ्तगू करते हुए कहा कि पानी के इन मसाइल को हल करने के लिए मुआशरे के हर फ़र्द को किरदार अदा करना होगा, लेकिन सबसे अहम किरदार तालीमी इदारों, तलबा तालबात और मीडिया का है। हमें इस बारे शऊर उजागर करना है। स्टूडेंट के रिसर्च वर्क को काबिल अमल बनाते हुए माशरे में बेहतरी लाना है। उन्होंने कहा कि सियासी वाबस्तगी से दरकना माशरे का हर फर्द बेहतरी की कोशिश करे ताकि हम आने वाली क्राइसिस का मुकाबला कर सकें। इस मौके पर प्रिंसिपल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन लाहौर विहाड़ी कैंपस प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर शेख इसरार अहमद, ज़िले कोऑर्डिनेटर मुस्लिम लीग नून साहबजादा अब्दुल सत्तार भट्टी, सिटी सदर शेख अब्दुर्रहमान, तहसील सेक्रेटरी इतलात चौधरी मोहम्मद फयाज, ज़िले सदर एपका मोहम्मद तैयब भट्टी व दीगर भी मौजूद थे।
Sources. So that would be a large challenge, which is new, I think, for Pakistan. So that would be very good. On the second thing, we look at the treatment issues themselves. You have treatment, wastewater treatment in several areas here in the city, and we will focus on Luden. In Luden, there's one area where we will add aeration to the treatment system so that the quality of the water coming out of the treated water system will be at such a level that it is either fit for direct irrigation or maybe for injection to the groundwater level. So that is, let's say, the main.
This I've tried numerous other places where I tried to get help from Germany. I tried to get help from expats sitting in out of the country, but and I've already worked with PUM in hospitality line, so I know the level of commitment there. And only then, after trial and testing, did I request PUM to come back again, because again, you see, we can't have people who are not traceable, who are not reachable. We need people who are there, who are as committed to these projects as us. So we are very grateful to PUM, and we are very grateful to Mr. Hans to be here and to look at. He has gone through. He's been with me for the last 5-6 days now. 5 days, 5 days. And I have to assure you, I have not seen so many pits and so many disposals and so much garbage and so much. I have not smelled so much stink as he has honored me with in Vihari. And because you get used to things, and now we are slowly getting to a position to start off from one side. We've taken 70 years to reach here. We'll take probably 20-30 years to get out of it, but we have to start somewhere, and that is the purpose. Thank you so much.
Here in Pakistan on behalf of PUM. PUM is a government organization, part of the Ministry of International Affairs in the Netherlands, and they recruit a number of, like myself, 1,600 experts that are young retired experts, meaning that they volunteer to still work, but then not being paid. What the ministry pays is our travel. So I'm here on behalf of Imran. Let's say the local government has invited through the international system us to provide an expert in the water sector So I work in the water sector, and I'm very, very happy to be here the first time in Pakistan, but having worked in various countries in the neighborhood, like Afghanistan and India. So I'm not unfamiliar with the system. My specialty is groundwater, so I'm very interested in the groundwater management issues. So here you have a lot of groundwater issues because the groundwater resources are depleting. I've heard that not in the recent past, so let's say 2 generations ago, groundwater levels were, let's say, at hand pump rate, so only 30, 40 feet. Nowadays it goes down to maybe 250 or even more feet. And in the future, with climate change, that should become even more. So we have to be very careful of how to use our groundwater resources. Now, in the project PUM is trying to identify, we see in a pilot project that would
from taking the sample of water from Bihari. And sorry to say, our Bihari water has a large concentration of arsenic that is very dangerous, highly poisonous. And second, my paper was from district Kasur. So your question that no one is working, I want to clarify that University of Education Vihari campus is already working on this project, and in near future, I request the Professor William, Mr. Imran, that when you launch this project, this mega project for the people of the community of the Vihari, then we stand with you for this noble cause.
And that is, I understand that some of you are already taking water from that depth. And we've seen that the quality of the water, especially the arsine, at the deeper levels, the arsine level is higher. So your lower groundwater levels are more depleted in arsine. Uh, this is what I hear. I mean, of course, I have not seen it, but that's what I hear. So you must be very careful with your water resources, your groundwater resources, because they are depleting. And we know because of climate change, the amount of water coming from the glaciers and the snow is becoming less.
I think there is awareness.